Starting off with the quotex trading. The quotex brokers do have very insane claims, from you getting over 90% profit to a risk-free venture. Literally, they claim that participating in trading via the quotex platform is risk-free. If you go on the platform, you will be able to find a signed up section where you enter your details and you can read a few terms and conditions for the service. And I took time to read those terms and conditions, and in fact it was very well laid out. It had so many important things, like in case you have a problem, how should you reach out to them? Is there contact information? Is there an address for the company? They have all that information available. They are a registered company and they have all the company details available. Looking at the trust score, 100% out of 100% was a trust score given with no negative highlights available. 2 years in existence is not very bad. If you go on the quotex trading website, you will be able to find a demo account in case you don't want to put real money, and you can be able to trade that amount of money. All you have to do is set up a given time of your choice, whether it is 5 seconds, 10 or 15 seconds, or even up to minutes or hours or even days, as much as you want. And let's say I happen to put $3,000 and I'm using a demo account that currently has $9,000, and all you have to do is to make an assumption. Will this price go up or will this price come down? If your prediction is right, then this will be the amount of return you will get from the $3,000, and here that is about 91%. You can of course be able to choose any currency of your choice, and you can clearly see that they tend to offer very high returns regardless of the currency you choose in this particular case. So the trade has now begun. After all the 10 seconds, have I made money or not? I have won the 5,280 because my prediction was positive. Now when you look at that kind of operation, this is not real life trading. This is a simulation. More like if you bet on a horse, if you go into a betting site, but it's not like people are riding the horse, it's just a simulation. So there is no control you have in here. This is a simulation. This is not based on any real life trade, whereas they keep telling you that the quotex trading is using this real life market information put these prices. That is not true, because if you look at the percentage return, this is so high that in the real world you cannot be making these insane bonuses at the end of the day. It's not possible. So all these percentages you're seeing in here as your percentage profit or percentage bonus, it is just a way of attracting you to keep on putting money into the platform. So I can simply say this is betting, and anybody trying to claim that they're doing forex trading while they are on the quotex platform, they are lying to themselves. Run for your life. But how about the pocket option? Is pocket option legit or it is a total scam? Now pocket option is one of those online binary trading platforms that offers you the ability to also make prediction whether will the price go higher or will the price go lower if you put a given amount of money, and they'll give you your payout at a given percentage depending on which kind of tradings you have chosen. But in this case, they based on stock. So you choose a given stock. For example, if I choose the Apple stock and I make a prediction that okay, I'm going to put $100, and I'll say that the price will either go up or the price will go down. You choose based on the trend in here. Let's say I choose that it is going to go up. The platform is going to put your bet and it will be weighing. Is it true that by the time your time elapses, will this curve be above or it will have come down? This is a similar way that the quotex platform operates, but in this case they do simulate stock. Now this is a simulation. This is not a real life kind of stock trading, because trust me, even if you have bought a stock at $100, I don't expect it after 1 minute to have given you a return of 92%. It is not possible at all in real life. That is a total lie. This is no real life trade. 50-50 chance, and it is a total scam in that case. And you can see that the bet that I have made in this case, I didn't get any return at all, because When the bet finished, my estimation was much lower, but I said that the stock price would be higher by the time my 1 minute elapsed. So that is how these binary trading tend to operate. It is a simulation. So pocket option is not a real life trading. It's not a legit broker that you should put your money in. There's nothing special you can obtain from here. And even when you look at the trust score of the pocket option itself, a trust score of 1 out of 100 is very, very worrying. The server on which the website is hosted has very low rating, and they always sell services with very high risk stroke return. For example, here you can see that they tell you that your return is 92% of the amount that you are going to put within the simulation. The website tends to host very sensitive information, all connected within a similar server. Now, that is not safe at all. It is something that I wouldn't encourage you to put your money in. I wouldn't encourage you to bet. But could be the iqoption is different. Is iqoption a legitimate trading platform? Is it a legitimate trading broker? They really claim that you use them to build your investment powerful and easy to use platform, and they invest in the world's most popular assets. Look at the trend. We have already seen that under the quotex trading, for them to deal with the forex currency. We have seen that under the pocket option, for them majorly they deal with the stock. And now here we are seeing that under the iqoption, they're dealing with the real world minerals. They also have some bit of currencies in them, but if you go on the site itself, it looks very, very similar. There is a demo account somewhere. Minimum investment of $1. $20 as a minimum deposit. What is also funny is that they also give you a very short timeline, that after a short time, price of the gold is going to go up, maybe go down. They'll give you the profit based on whether your prediction was right or it was wrong. But this is not a real life trading going on. This is a simulation going on. This is an online gamble. This is an online bet going on, whereas they put for you these things like these are signals. You can use all sort of signals for you to make your prediction, make it right, make it wrong. You can follow from the experts what the experts are doing so that you can win from them, but they are just total lie. Even when you look at the trust score of the iqoption, a trust score of 1 out of 100 is too low for a site that you want to put your money in, and with the reasons such as several websites that are suspicious on the same server that the iqoption is being hosted, very high risk financial services. The moment somebody keeps telling you risk-free return, 100% return, enjoy money, please always run away for your life. Now, the website has also been reported to be a possible scam on Scam Advisor, and it has received so many negative reviews, and yet they do obtain a lot of sensitive data from people, and yet it's being hosted on a shared server. So your information can easily be leaked to other people, or they can easily be stolen in one way or another, and that is not okay. Whereas the website has taken over 10 years from now, I expected that long duration should have given them a higher trust score, meaning these people have not been operating well and people have been very skeptical about them. You shouldn't trust the iqoption in any way unless you are into gambling. But how about the Primex BT? Primex BT is a very new platform. In fact, the Primex BT has only taken few months, 5 months from the time I'm recording this video. For them, they claim that you can make money through trading, but by copying other experienced traders. All you'll have to do is to sit back, relax, wait for the experienced traders they have on their platform. If they make the bet, if they make their prediction, if they make their trading, copy their trade exactly how they have put it, and you will make money from there. The website, of course, looks pretty neat, pretty clean, looks to be well organized, 99.9% most of the time, operating in so many countries and over 150,000 daily trades. But there are so many clear negative signs that you can always see from the platform, like there is no contact information apart from this email address you can find, but there is no like address that you can mail a letter to, or you can physically go there. You don't find that information anywhere. Could be because it is still new, but I expected a financial service that is aiming to work internationally, they should have all those things into place. I couldn't find the owner of this platform anywhere. There is no information known about them, and here they claim that it is the best platform for trading, best trading application, which is a total lie because they have only taken 5 months. So who has approved them to be the best trading platform? Who told them that they are the best trading application? Some of these statements are always made by people who are looking into ways of getting your money, making you put your money in there, and then they'll run away with your money. So the website has only been registered recently, as I've shown you, 5 months only, and it has collect data sensitive information, and yet it is not very secure. Keep away from the primexbt.app. The fifth trading broker is the eToro. Now eToro, I really took a good look at them, and trust me, after me carefully checking the eToro, I easily confirmed that for it looks to be legit. I trust that it is much more legit. It has taken several years in existence. A trust score of 100 out of 100 with no negative reviews spotted at all. The site has taken over 19 years from now, so that website has really taken long, and it is being known as one of those platforms that have taken long in doing tradings, and they have these updated blogs, they have the apps, they have the social media presence, they have portfolio. It's really well trusted. They have all information about them you can always find. They look to be much more trusted, and when I look at everything about them, your data is much more protected with them, and they are well regulated. I was able to trust that eToro is legit. But you're not going to make money very fast as these other people claim, because eToro will be working on a real life trading, day-to-day normal trading, that you should know that it takes time, it is slow, you shouldn't rush at any one point. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Which website do you want me to review? And I suggest that you watch this video about the betting bot scam.